Oh boy, way too many demo days working on these floors.
Yeah.
And we're tired, and we're completely drenched in sweat, covered in rust, dust.
Ew.
This is pretty bad.
And it's our anniversary today.
Yes. I didn't know if you're gonna kiss me because I'm so dirty.
I'm dirty too, so.
This is Mella.
This is Dawn.
And we're sharing our experience as we reinvent our habitat. What do you do when you're not working on the bus?
You walk the cats. There's a woodpecker up there, and he's fascinated by the woodpecker. Back in the bus. It's been about 2 weeks for me because I was sick post LA trip, so I felt frustrated not being able to work. But I'm not 100%, so it's a little rough. I feel hot and sweaty and gonna tire out soon.
The demolition phase has taken way more time than we expected.
We understand now why we have seen so many half-finished buses for sale. People who had only reached this point but burnt out and given up.
And it had been a real test of our skills and of our strength as a couple.
But as we did the last bit of wiping down the beams,
and the last vacuuming of the floors,
we were feeling exhausted but hopeful and feeling like overcoming so many challenges had actually brought us closer together.
we were really ready to turn the corner and start actually building inside our future tiny home. It looked like somebody had their weave that fell out in those vents that I vacuumed up. That was disgusting.
Yeah, it's pretty gross.
Floors are clean, finally.
I think we've overcome a bit of a hurdle now. Like, this has been the toughest part so far, and just feels like, we kind of had to step back a little bit, and I feel like we're getting over that hump now, right?
We still have a little bit of demolition to do. We've got to pull out the AC unit because we're not going to use the bus's native AC unit. It uses R22, that's the refrigerant fluid, and you have to have a special license to handle it. So we've decided to just pull the whole unit out, and we're going to go with RV style ACs for the bus.
So now that we've got the beams of the floor all clean, tomorrow we can paint the Rust-Oleum onto them. And what else?
And we found a special Pour 15. It's like a rust stopper, and we're going to use that to coat areas that either had pitting in the rusted areas, so it hopefully will seal and stop it from continuing to rust. And if I have extra, I may use it to seal up some of the areas that currently have holes that go all the way to the bottom outside area of the bus, underneath the bus.
And it's our anniversary today.
Yes. I didn't know if you're going to kiss me because I'm so dirty.
I'm dirty too, so it's okay if we're both dirty. But I'm not enjoying this. Each step there, I'm like, oh, this is the worst thing we've done so far. And then literally the next day, I'm like, this is the worst thing we've ever done.